Welcome, dear listener, to the third whisper in our Whispers of Wonder series. Tonight, as twilight deepens and the world exhales, we enter the quiet breath of plants. Picture a single leaf, trembling in the evening breeze, its surface kissed by fading light. Within it, a silent miracle unfolds, a rhythm older than forests, softer than moonlight. Close your eyes, let your breath slow, and drift into this green embrace. Plants, the lungs of Earth, inhale carbon dioxide. Sip water and exhale the oxygen that fills your lungs. Their pulse, steady and serene, mirrors the calm we seek in sleep. This dance, called photosynthesis, began billions of years ago in ancient seas and now sustains every breath you take. Feel the leaf's gentle sway, its chlorophyll glowing faintly as we begin our journey through nature's soothing rhythm. The air grows still, the night wraps around you, and the plants begin to whisper. Let's start small, with the heart of a leaf. Picture a chloroplast, a tiny green world within the cell, its membranes folded like delicate curtains. Here, sunlight meets water, and magic stirs. Chlorophyll, that emerald pigment, captures photons, splitting H2O into hydrogen and oxygen with a quiet sigh. This light reaction, the first breath of photosynthesis, releases oxygen into the air you breathe. Imagine the leaf unfurling at dawn, its surface drinking golden light. Each photon a spark of life. As you rest, feel this process in your own breath, the oxygen gift from a distant tree, now filling your lungs. The rhythm is slow, patient, a lullaby in green. Let your mind settle into this pulse, soft and steady, as the night deepens. The leaf is a factory of calm. Picture its surface, dotted with stomata, tiny mouths that open and close like gentle eyelids. Through them, carbon dioxide slips in. Water vapor drifts out, a quiet exchange with the world. Each stoma, guarded by cells, regulates this breath, ensuring balance. Imagine lying beneath a canopy, the air thick with plant scent. Each inhale a gift from leaves above. As you breathe, feel this connection, the shared rhythm of plant and human lungs. The exchange is silent, constant, a dance of gases that sustains life. Let this rhythm soothe you, a gentle tide in your chest, guiding you deeper into sleep's calm embrace. Sunlight, The silent conductor bathes the leaf. Picture photons streaming through the atmosphere, filtered by ozone, softened by clouds, landing on chlorophyll like rain on parched earth. Each photon, a packet of energy, excites electrons, setting the light reaction in motion. The energy flows, water splits, oxygen escapes. This process, precise yet fluid, powers Earth's green heart. Imagine a sunlit glade, leaves shimmering, each one a solar panel of life. As you rest, feel this warmth in your breath, the oxygen born in light, now sustaining you. The light fades, the rhythm remains, a quiet hum lulling you toward sleep's serene depths. Water from day two's journey returns as a partner. Picture roots sipping from soil, drawing H2O upward through xylem, delicate tubes like veins in a leaf. This water, pulled by transpiration, reaches chloroplasts, ready to be split. The hydrogen fuels sugar creation. The oxygen drifts free. Imagine a tree's slow drink, its roots deep in cool earth, its leaves high in warm air. As you lie still, feel water's role in your own body. The same molecules cycling through plant and human. The connection is quiet, ancient, a shared pulse. Let it carry you, a gentle current toward dreams. Carbon dioxide, the plant's breath, enters through stomata. Picture CO2 molecules, small and eager, slipping into the leaf's inner world. Here, in the Calvin cycle, they join hydrogen from water, forming glucose under enzyme guidance. This dark reaction, independent of light, builds life's sugar brick by brick. Imagine the quiet work within the leaf, molecules bonding in the dark, energy stored for growth. As you breathe out CO2, imagine a plant nearby inhaling it, completing the cycle. The exchange is intimate, constant, a lullaby of reciprocity. Let this rhythm soothe your mind, slow and steady, as sleep beckons. Chlorophyll, the green magician, absorbs red and blue light, reflects green. Picture its structure, a porphyrin ring cradling magnesium, a quiet throne for sunlight's energy. Without it, no photosynthesis, no oxygen, no life as we know it. Imagine a forest at noon, green glowing under the sun, each leaf a chlorophyll cathedral. As you rest, feel this green in your breath, the oxygen gift from countless leaves, The color calms, the rhythm steadies, a quiet pulse guiding you deeper into the night's embrace. The leaf's surface, a marvel of design, maximizes light capture. Picture its waxy cuticle, thin yet strong, protecting from drought while allowing gas exchange. Veins trace paths like rivers, carrying water in, sugar out. Each cell, packed with chloroplasts, works in harmony. A quiet orchestra of green. Imagine lying in grass, the blades cool against your skin, their work invisible yet vital. As you breathe, feel this harmony in your lungs, the shared breath of plant and human. The orchestra plays on, soft and sure, a lullaby for sleep. Stomata open at dawn, close at dusk, a daily rhythm. Picture guard cells swelling with water, prying the pore wide, allowing CO2 in, O2 out. At night they rest, conserving moisture, breathing slow. This cycle, tied to light, mirrors your own sleep-wake rhythm. Imagine a leaf in moonlight, its stomata gently closed, dreaming in green. As you lie still, feel this parallel, your breath slowing, matching the plant's quiet pulse. The rhythm is ancient, universal, a gentle guide to sleep's calm shore. Photosynthesis began in ancient oceans with cyanobacteria. Picture shallow seas billions of years ago, blue-green mats pulsing with life, releasing oxygen into a young atmosphere. This great oxidation event transformed Earth, paving the way for complex life. Imagine those first breaths, oxygen rising, changing the sky from red to blue. As you rest, feel this legacy in your lungs, the oxygen from ancient algae, now in your blood. The pulse began long ago, steady and patient, a lullaby across eons. Forests, Earth's green lungs, breathe for us all. Picture a rainforest, canopy thick with leaves, each one a photosynthesis factory. Trillions of chloroplasts work in unison, producing half the planet's oxygen. The air is rich, humid, alive with plant breath. Imagine standing beneath, inhaling deeply, the scent of earth and green filling you. As you breathe, feel this gift, the forest's quiet work sustaining you. The canopy sways, the rhythm steadies, a lullaby guiding you deeper into sleep's embrace. A single tree, a quiet giant, produces oxygen for 4 people daily. Picture an oak, its leaves spread wide, drinking sunlight, exhaling life. Its roots anchor deep, its branches reach high, a bridge between earth and sky. Imagine lying in its shade, the dappled light soft, the air cool and fresh. As you rest, feel this tree's breath in your lungs, its oxygen, a gift of calm. The tree stands still, the rhythm flows, a gentle pulse lulling you toward dreams. Houseplants, small green companions, breathe with you. Picture a peace lily on your windowsill, its leaves glossy, its work silent. It absorbs CO2, releases O2, purifies air, all while you sleep. Imagine its quiet presence, a friend in the dark, sharing your rhythm. As you breathe, feel this exchange, the plant's gentle pulse matching yours. The room grows calm, the night deepens, a lullaby in green. Photosynthesis powers growth, from seed to forest. Picture a sprout pushing through soil, its first leaves unfurling, capturing light. Energy from sugar fuels roots, stems, flowers, a quiet expansion. Imagine a time lapse of growth, slow and steady, life unfolding in green. As you rest, feel this potential in your own body, the energy from plants sustaining you. The growth is patient, the rhythm sure, a lullaby guiding you to sleep's serene depths. Seasons shape the plant's breath. Picture spring, leaves bursting forth, photosynthesis surging with light. Summer, peak green, oxygen flowing freely. Autumn, chlorophyll fading, leaves turning gold, breath slowing. Winter, red, energy stored, waiting for spring. Imagine the cycle, the quiet patience of plants, mirroring your own need for rest. As you lie still, feel the seasonal rhythm in your breath, slow and steady, a lullaby for the night. Joseph Priestley in 1771 discovered plants purify air. Picture his London lab, a mouse gasping in a sealed jar, then revived by a mint plant's oxygen. This experiment, simple yet profound, revealed photosynthesis' gift. Imagine the quiet wonder, the mouse breathing easy, the plant's silent worry. As you rest, feel this discovery in your lungs, the oxygen from Priestley's mint now in your blood. The truth was quiet, the impact vast. a lullaby of science. Jan Ingenhousz, in 1779, showed light drives photosynthesis. Picture his Dutch greenhouse, plants thriving in sun, wilting in shade. His careful measurements proved chlorophyll needs light to split water, release oxygen. Imagine the greenhouse, warm and green, the plants breathing with the sun. As you breathe, feel this light in your lungs, the oxygen born in Ingenhousz's experiments. The rhythm is steady, the night calm, a lullaby guiding you deeper. Modern science maps photosynthesis with precision. Picture labs with spectrometers, tracing photon paths, enzyme reactions. Genetic engineering enhances crops, boosting yield, oxygen output. Imagine fields of golden wheat, engineered for efficiency, feeding billions. As you rest, feel this progress in your breath, the oxygen from modern plants sustaining you. The science is quiet, the impact deep, a lullaby for the future. Bioenergy from plants powers a greener world. Picture fields of switchgrass, their sugar converted to fuel, carbon neutral and clean. Photosynthesis captures sunlight, stores energy, releases it as needed. Imagine the quiet harvest, the fuel flowing, the cycle complete. As you lie still, feel this energy in your body, the plant's gift sustaining life. The cycle turns, the rhythm steadies, a lullaby for tomorrow. Climate change challenges plant breathing. Picture forests under stress, drought closing stomata, heat slowing enzymes. Yet plants adapt, some thriving in new conditions. Imagine a world reforested, carbon sequestered, oxygen restored. As you breathe, feel this hope in your lungs, the potential of green. The challenge is real. The rhythm endures, a lullaby of resilience. Gardens, small green sanctuaries. Breathe calm into homes. Picture a backyard plot, tomatoes ripening, basil fragrant, each leaf a photosynthesis engine. The work is quiet, the reward rich, oxygen and food in abundance. Imagine tending the soil, the sun warm, the plants growing. As you rest, feel this garden in your breath. Its oxygen, a gift of peace. The garden sleeps, the rhythm slows, a lullaby for the night. A single breath connects you to plants. Picture inhaling, oxygen from a distant forest filling your lungs. CO2 exhaled for a nearby shrub. This exchange, constant and intimate, binds life together. Imagine the quiet cycle, the shared breath, the harmony of green and red. As you breathe, feel this connection, the plant's pulse in your chest. The harmony is soft, the night deep, a lullaby guiding you to sleep. Plants dream in their own way, resting at night. Picture a leaf in moonlight, its stomata closed, its energy stored, waiting for dawn. This rest, like yours, renews, prepares, sustains. Imagine the quiet of the plant's night, the slow pulse of life, the promise of morning. As you lie still, feel this shared rest, your breath slowing, matching the plant's calm. The night is gentle, the rhythm, sure, a lullaby for dreams. The forest at night, a symphony of quiet breaths. Picture trees standing tall, their leaves still, their work paused but present. The air is cool, rich with oxygen, the ground soft with moss. Imagine walking barefoot, the earth cool, the trees breathing around you. As you rest, feel this forest in your lungs, its oxygen a gift of calm. The symphony plays on, soft and steady, a lullaby guiding you deeper. A houseplant's quiet vigil, watching over your sleep. Picture its leaves catching moonlight, its roots steady in soil, its breath gentle and sure. It purifies, oxygenates, calms the air you breathe. Imagine its silent presence, a green guardian in the dark. As you breathe, feel its gift, the oxygen soft and pure. The vigil is quiet, the night calm, a lullaby for rest. Photosynthesis in oceans, invisible but vast. Picture phytoplankton, tiny green specks, producing half the world's oxygen. The sea pulses with their work, a quiet engine of life. Imagine the ocean's surface, sunlight penetrating, green life thriving below. As you rest, feel this oceanic breath in your lungs, the oxygen from unseen plants. The pulse is vast, the rhythm steady, a lullaby from the deep. Coral reefs, underwater forests. Breathe with light. Picture symbiotic algae and coral, photosynthesizing, feeding their hosts, building reefs. The colors are vivid, the work constant, a dance of light and life. Imagine diving through, the water warm, the reef alive with breath. As you breathe, feel this reef in your lungs, its oxygen a gift of color. The dance is soft, the night calm, a lullaby for the sea. Deserts bloom after rain, photosynthesis surging. Picture cacti, their spines guarding water, their pads green with chlorophyll. A rare storm brings life, leaves unfurl, oxygen flows. Imagine the desert at dawn, green against sand, the air fresh with plant breath. As you rest, feel this resilience in your breath, the oxygen from desert blooms. The bloom is brief, the rhythm enduring, a lullaby for survival. Mountains high and cold host alpine plants. Picture moss camps, their photosynthesis slow but sure, thriving in thin air. The light is sharp, the work patient, oxygen sparse but precious. Imagine the quiet of the peaks, the green against stone, the breath thin but pure. As you breathe, feel this high air in your lungs, the oxygen from mountain plants. The quiet is deep, the rhythm steady, a lullaby for heights. Tropical rainforests, the green heart of earth. Picture the canopy, layered and dense, each leaf a photosynthesis engine. The air is thick, humid, alive with oxygen. Imagine the heat, the green, the constant breath of life. As you rest, feel this heart in your lungs, its oxygen rich and warm. The heartbeat slow, the rhythm sure, a lullaby for the tropics. Urban parks, green oases in concrete. Picture trees along paths, their leaves working amid city noise, producing oxygen for crowded lungs. The air is clearer, the mind calmer, the breath easier. Imagine walking through the green a balm, the plants breathing with you. As you breathe, feel this oasis in your lungs, its oxygen, a gift of calm. The oasis is small, the rhythm vast, a lullaby for the city. School gardens teach children the breath of plants. Picture kids planting seeds, watching leaves grow, learning the cycle of light and life. The lesson is quiet, the impact deep, a seed of wonder planted. Imagine the children's awe, the green shoots, the air fresh with oxygen. As you rest, feel this lesson in your breath, the oxygen from young plants. The wonder is soft, the rhythm steady, a lullaby for learning. Farms, vast and green, feed and breathe. Picture fields of corn, their leaves wide. Photosynthesis fueling growth. Oxygen flowing freely. The harvest is rich, the air pure, the cycle complete. Imagine the quiet of the fields, the green waves, the breath of abundance. As you breathe, feel this farm in your lungs, its oxygen, a gift of sustenance. The abundance is calm, the rhythm sure, a lullaby for the land. Photosynthesis in space, a dream of green. Picture astronauts growing lettuce in orbit, chlorophyll thriving under LED light, oxygen recycled. The future of space travel, sustained by plant breath. Imagine the quiet of the module, the green leaves, the air fresh with oxygen. As you rest, feel this future in your breath, the oxygen from space plants. The dream is soft, the rhythm steady, a lullaby for the stars. Ancient forests, carbon vaults, breathe slow. Picture redwoods, their trunks thick, their leaves high, sequestering CO2 for centuries. The air is cool, rich, the breath patient. Imagine the quiet of the giants, the green canopy, the oxygen pure. As you breathe, feel this ancient air in your lungs, the oxygen from timeless trees. The patience is deep, the rhythm enduring, a lullaby for eternity. A single breath, a gift from plants. Picture inhaling oxygen from a leaf you'll never see, filling your blood, fueling your dreams. The gift is quiet, constant, a bond across distance. Imagine the leaf, the light, the breath shared. As you exhale, feel the cycle. CO2 for the plant, oxygen for you. The bond is soft, the night calm, a lullaby for connection. Plants feel the sun's rhythm, waking with light. Picture leaves turning toward dawn, chloroplasts activating, photosynthesis beginning. The movement is slow, deliberate, a dance with the sun. Imagine the quiet of the turn, the green reaching, the breath starting. As you rest, feel this rhythm in your own waking, the light calling, the breath deepening. The dance is gentle, the rhythm sure, a lullaby for dawn. Night falls, plants rest. Picture leaves still, stomata closed, energy stored, dreaming in green. The rest is deep, the rhythm slow, a mirror of your own sleep. Imagine the quiet of the night, the green sleeping, the breath paused but present. As you lie still, feel this rest in your body, the breath slowing, the night deepening. The rest is calm, the rhythm steady, a lullaby for night. The forest exhales, the world inhales. Picture a breeze through trees, oxygen released, carried on wind to cities, mountains, seas. The exhale is vast, the inhale universal, a quiet balance. Imagine the wind, the green, the breath shared. As you breathe, feel this exhale in your lungs, the forest's gift to the world. The balance is soft, the rhythm enduring, a lullaby for earth, a houseplant's quiet song, a lullaby in green. Picture its leaves catching moonlight, its breath gentle, its presence calming. The song is wordless, the rhythm sure, a gift of peace. Imagine the quiet of the room, the green glowing, the air fresh. As you rest, feel this song in your breath, the oxygen soft and pure. The song is calm, the night deep, a lullaby for home. Photosynthesis in art, green inspiration. Picture a painting of a sunlit forest, leaves glowing, light dancing through chlorophyll. The artist captures the breath, the quiet work, the gift of green. Imagine the quiet of the canvas, the green alive, the breath visible. As you breathe, feel this art in your lungs, the oxygen from painted leaves. The inspiration is soft, the rhythm steady, a lullaby for beauty. Music of the leaves, a natural symphony. Picture wind through branches, leaves rustling, a soft percussion of green. The sound is calming, the rhythm steady, a lullaby of nature. Imagine the quiet of the rustle, the green singing, the breath in harmony. As you rest, feel this music in your breath, the oxygen soft and pure. The symphony is calm, the night deep, a lullaby for sound. Meditation with plants, a green anchor. Picture sitting beneath a tree, its breath steady, your breath matching. The meditation is quiet, the connection deep, a bond of breath. Imagine the quiet of the sight, the green breathing, the mind calming. As you breathe, feel this anchor in your lungs, the oxygen grounding you. The anchor is soft, the rhythm sure, a lullaby for peace. Myths of green, plants as life givers. Picture ancient tales, trees as world pillars, leaves as breath of gods. The myths are old, the truth enduring, a quiet gift. Imagine the quiet of the tale, the green alive, the breath sacred. As you rest, feel this myth in your breath, the oxygen from sacred leaves. The truth is calm, the rhythm steady, a lullaby for story. Healing with plants, green therapy. Picture a hospital garden, patients breathing fresh oxygen, minds calming under leaves. The therapy is quiet, the gift deep, a bond of breath. Imagine the quiet of the garden, the green healing, the air pure. As you breathe, feel this therapy in your lungs, the oxygen soothing you. The healing is soft, the night calm, a lullaby for health. Poetry of leaves, green verses. Picture lines describing light on chlorophyll, breath in the canopy, life in the green. The poetry is soft, the image is calm, a lullaby in words. Imagine the quiet of the verse, the green singing, the breath in rhythm. As you rest, feel this poetry in your breath, the oxygen from poetic leaves. The verse is calm, the rhythm steady, a lullaby for words. Sacred plants, green spirituality. Picture rituals with leaves, offerings to trees. Breath is prayer. The spirituality is quiet, the connection deep, a bond of green. Imagine the quiet of the ritual, the green breathing, the prayer in oxygen. As you breathe, feel this sacredness in your lungs, the oxygen from holy leaves. The sacred is soft, the night calm, a lullaby for spirit. Dreams of green, forests in the mind. Picture a dreamscape, trees breathing, leaves glowing, oxygen filling your sleep. The dream is calm, the green alive, a lullaby in the mind. Imagine the quiet of the dream, the green pulsing, the breath in harmony. As you drift, feel this dream in your lungs, the oxygen from dream leaves. The dream is soft, the rhythm steady, a lullaby for sleep. The cycle of green, endless and calm. Picture photosynthesis turning, light to sugar, CO2 to O2, life to life. The cycle is quiet, the rhythm enduring, a lullaby of earth. Imagine the quiet of the turn, the green breathing, the breath shared. As you rest, feel this cycle in your lungs, the oxygen from endless leaves. The cycle is calm, the night deep, a lullaby for time. Green unites from leaf to lung. Picture the bond, the breath shared, the rhythm matched. The unity is quiet, the connection deep, a lullaby of life. Imagine the quiet of the bond, the green pulsing, the breath in harmony. As you breathe, feel this unity in your lungs, the oxygen from united leaves. The unity is soft, the rhythm sure, a lullaby for all. Our third whisper fades, dear one. Tomorrow, we trace ancient echoes in stone. But tonight, let plants hold you. Picture leaves breathing, oxygen flowing, a quiet symphony in green. The symphony is soft, the night calm, a lullaby for rest. Let worries fade, like light at dusk, as sleep comes, gentle and green. The night is deep, the calm complete, the pulse of green in forests, fields. You sings a lullaby. Picture leaves swaying, oxygen drifting, breath shared in the dark. The song is soft, the rhythm steady, a lullaby of life. Imagine the quiet of the pulse, the green breathing, the night calm. As you drift, feel this pulse in your lungs, the oxygen from gentle leaves. Let the green cradle you, calm and eternal. The lullaby continues, the sleep is deep. Imagine floating in a sea of green, leaves beneath you, oxygen above. The sea is calm, the support sure, a lullaby in green. Picture the gentle sway, the breath shared, the rhythm matched. This flow, steady and soft, dissolves thoughts, leaving only peace. Imagine the quiet of the float, the green pulsing, the night calm. As you rest, let the green guide you, a lullaby to sleep's gentle shore. The shore is near, the calm complete. The breath of plants in you, the world, carries you to sleep. Picture a leaf, glowing in moonlight, its oxygen humming with life. The leaf is small, the gift vast, a lullaby in green. Your breath, your heartbeat, joins this dance. Imagine the quiet of the dance, the green breathing, the night calm. As you drift, let the rhythm soothe you, a quiet tide to dreams. Sleep comes like chlorophyll capturing light, calm and eternal. The night is deep, the calm complete. In this moment, you are the plant's breath. Picture oxygen flowing, CO2 returning, the cycle complete in your lungs. The connection is quiet, the dance soft, a lullaby of life. Sleep beckons, a gentle green tide, carrying you to dreams' serene depths. Imagine the quiet of the moment, the green pulsing, the night calm. Good night, dear one. Rest in the plant's embrace. The embrace is warm. The night is calm. The sleep is deep.